Point range. Here's Rosella up against Kagiwa. Nice fake. Rara Rosella sees an opening. Oh, what a move! Excellent move by Rosella.
You know what happened there? David rotated wrong. He was going to rotate here to the strong side.
That's right.
Then he went back. And he should have been able to pick up that man.
Here, well, let's watch this again.
You see, Bal wanted to go there. Now he goes back. And he leaves that guy open. So there was no choice but for Calpito to come in and help.
3-point play coming up here. Siya nga pala, tumutok sa Bantay Halalan 2001 para sa malayang paglalahad ng pinakahuling kaganapan sa May 14 elections. Dito po sa IBC 13. Abangan niyo po yan. Still a 7-point lead as a 3-point play is not completed here. A minute and 15 remaining in the third. Here's the flash. Tulago pulls the trigger. Bang! That's a tough shot.
That's a design play, and he was wide open for that 3-point shot.
That was a PLDT IDD long distance shot brought to you by PLDT NDD. Now as low as 3 pesos per minute and anytime, anywhere in the Philippines. Call 171 for free NDD activation. And kagad sinagot naman ng San Miguel.
Sigel is a second-half player.
Yes.
And he's a fourth-quarter player too.
Oh, yes. Dr. Jane knows that very well. Sigel just burned them. 27 points in the second half against Red Bull. Here's David throwing up a prayer.
Well, I think he wanted somebody to follow it up.